Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a headline to your LinkedIn profile. Your headline is one of the first things people see when they visit your profile, so making it clear and professional can really help you stand out to recruiters and potential connections. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your email and password. Make sure you're fully signed in before moving to the next step, as you'll need access to your profile settings. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the top of the page where you'll see your profile icon. This is typically a small circular image in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select View Profile. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page where you can see how others view your information. Now that you're on your profile page, take a look just below your profile picture and cover photo. You should notice a small pencil icon located beside your profile details. This pencil icon is your edit button, and clicking it will allow you to modify your profile information. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click the pencil icon, a box will pop up on your screen. This is your profile editing interface, and it contains several fields where you can update your information. Scroll through the options until you find the field labeled Headline. The Headline field is usually near the top of this editing box, right below your name. Now it's time to add your headline. Click into the Headline field and type in the headline you want to display on your profile. This could be your job title, a brief description of what you do, or a combination of both. Make it clear and concise so people immediately understand your professional identity. Once you've finished typing your headline, take a moment to review it and make sure everything looks good. When you're satisfied with your headline, look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom of the editing box. Click Save to apply your changes. LinkedIn will process the update, and your new headline will now be visible on your profile for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully added a headline to your LinkedIn profile, making it more professional and easier for others to understand what you do at a glance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.